Good morning everyone and welcome to Baby Rhyme Time here at Moreton Bay Region Libraries. My name's Cassie and I'm so excited to be doing this with you today. Okay, so before we begin, I'm just going to show you our little friend Fred the Frog. Does anybody recognize him from anywhere? Yes, so you can get Fred or with other friends just like him from our first 5 Forever packs. And if you haven't joined up, you can get one. Just come to the library and we'll be able to help you out. Okay, is everyone excited for a rhyme time this morning? Perfect. Okay, let's do our acknowledgement to country. Here is the land, here is the sky, here are my friends, and here am I. We respect the traditional custodians and country on which we learn and play. Hands up, hands down, and we are on Gubby Gubby and Yidumbi people ground. Good job everyone. Okay, we all ready to say good morning? Good job. Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you? How are you? Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you today? Good job everyone. I love your waving, that was so good. Perfect, are we all ready to begin? Now who's feeling a little bit energetic? Because I think we should do shake our sillies out. And I like to do this one just after bath, after dinner. It's a good way to air out. It's really fun. Ready? You're gonna shake, shake, shake your sillies out. Shake, shake, shake your sillies out. Shake, shake, shake your sillies out, wibble our wobbles away. Now we're gonna clap. Gonna clap, clap, clap your sillies out. Clap, clap, clap your sillies out. Clap, clap, clap your sillies out, wibble our wobbles away. Okay, now we're gonna jump. Are you ready to jump your sillies out? Okay, you all standing up? Perfect. We're gonna jump, jump, jump our sillies out. Jump, jump, jump your sillies out. Jump, jump, jump your sillies out. Wibble our wobbles away. That was great fun. Oh, that was lots of fun. Okay, I think we should do a counting one. Okay, ready? I think we should do a counting one. That's about 5 little ducks. Yes, good job. You got 5 hands out. Good job. 5 little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. Oh no. 4 little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. Ready? 3 little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. Just 2? Okay. 2 little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. Okay, last duck. 1 little duck went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but none of those 5 little ducks came back. Okay, Mother duck, I think we should go out and get your children. Quack, quack. She said yes. Okay, let's go get them. 1 mother duck went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 and all of those 5 little ducks came back. Oh, there we go, they're all back again. Quack, 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 quack. Good quacking, I love that. Okay, are we all ready for our next rhyme? I think we should do round and round the garden. We're going to start with our left hand It will go to our right hand. You all have your hands out? Perfect. Round and round the garden like a teddy bear. 1 step, 2 step, tickly under there. That was funny, wasn't it? Let's do our other hand. Round and round the haystack like a little mouse. 1 step, 2 step into his little house. Are you all laughing? Perfect. I like to see you laughing, that's good. Okay, our next rhyme. I think we should do a very classic rhyme that everyone might know. I think we should do Miss Polly Had a Dolly. Does everyone have a dolly with them? Or you can use a stuffed animal. Okay, we all have them ready? Okay. Miss Polly had a dolly who was sick, sick, sick. So she called for the doctor to come quick, quick, quick. The doctor came with his bag and his hat, and he knocked on the door with a rat-a-tat-tat. Okay, let's open the door. Okay. He looked at the dolly and he shook his head. He said, Miss Polly, put her straight to bed. He wrote on the paper for a bill, pill, pill. I'll be back in the morning, yes I will, will. That's a lot of rhyming, isn't there? Okay, our next one. We shall do a really, really fun one. Maybe a dingle dangle scarecrow. Are we all ready? Perfect. When all the cows were sleeping and the sun has gone to bed, up jumped the scarecrow and this is what he said. I'm a dingle-dangle scarecrow with a flippy-floppy hat. I can shake my hands like this and shake my feet like that. You're shaking your feet, good job. Okay, let's go back to sleeping again. When all the hens were roosting and the sun, moon behind the cloud, up jumped the scarecrow and shouted very loud. I'm a dingle-dangle scarecrow with a flippy-floppy hat. I can shake my hands like this and shake my feet like that. Good job, everyone. Oh, that was fantastic. Now, I think we should do one more rhyme. Are we all ready to go? Yes. Perfect. We'll do a little quiet rhyme, maybe Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. We all ready? Perfect. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Okay, I think we should do that once more. Are you all ready to go with your twinkly fingers? Good job. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Good singing, everyone. That was very nice. Okay, now I'm afraid we're going to have to go, but we'll do our goodbye song first. Are we all ready? There we go. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon. See you soon, see you soon. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon. See you another day. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.